Right, this is 422 Kestrel Way in Amherst. They're looking for a top dressing of their lawn because they've got a lot of lumps and bumps that we got to fix. So, I mean, as you can see through the whole yard, just a simple top dress to kind of properly grade this out. We can see where the property line is and where we would need to stop. I'm going to take a look at the backyard. We do have an area right here. This is like a big low spot. We'll have to put some extra topsoil in there. We've got a low spot right through here we'll have to lift up. This is all just uneven. Alright, customer came out, so we talked. Backyard we are not going to do right now. It's actually pretty flat. It's mostly just the front and the sides. Over on this side here, we need to raise this grade up at least past the black portion. Raise it up a little bit and grade it away from the home, if not a little bit higher. All the way down, and then we'll also repair this area. So we're going to seed all this, the starter fertilizer, and straw. And then this side. Alright, and then this side of the yard is not terrible, but if you guys just want to walk around and patch up some of these areas too while we're out here, but the main portion is going to be this front yard. We need to just top dress this whole thing and fix all the low spots, and that's it.